Hello guys. So after a long time I'm solving this question. Due to my exams and interviews I'm not able to upload videos regularly. uh, I will try to upload videos regularly, but it is not guaranteed that I will upload regularly. I will try my best. So now today I solved bit guessing game D, Codeforces Round 846 Division 2. So basically this is interactive question. uh, we will solve. I will explain the question, and I will explain the logic and answer also. So if you are new to channel, please subscribe to the channel, and do follow us on Instagram also. There we will add some content which will be good for coding and some enjoyment also along with that. So now in this question, what they are asking, that in this question, like suppose there is one number n. This is number n, and this number is, right now you don't know the number. Okay, to guess this number, there are up to, you can perform 30 operations. Maximum you can go up to 30 operations. You can go up to 30 operations. And in one operation, what you will do, in one operation you will choose any number like x, any number which will be the smaller than equals to n. Like they mentioned that if it will be greater than this n, then what will happen, the answer will they will return -1 as answer, and the program should be stopped. Now what we need to take any x value, and we will subtract from this number. We will give them this number as minus and x. They will subtract this number with from n, and they return the n minus x bits, like how many bits are present in n minus x. So they will return this way. So you will get answer by this way. In the starting, they will return how many in starting. So I committed a mistake I submitted 3-4 answers. You can check out that. In that, what I thought, we don't know the initially how many bits are there, but they are providing the initial how many bits are there. So initially in n, how many bits are presenting, they are providing. So later what happened, we will calculate, we will take input as this bit, then we will take any x and we will subtract from this number. Now what happened, they will return n minus x bits, that number of bits present in n minus x value. So they will return this one. So you will perform this operation up at most 30, and after that the program will get terminated, and up to maximum this performing this operation, you need to return what will the actual value of n. So this was the question, and I explained the. Now just take your time. This is a really good question and have a good rating. So around it has 1800 rating. Really good question. And if you are stuck at anywhere, just go through the tags. So basically the tags are binary search, bit mask, constructive algorithms, interactive. Then think about some approach, and if not, then we will go for solution. Now I will explain the logic behind it. So suppose any number is there, like I will take 2. Its representation is 0 2. It's 3. Its representation is 1 1 1 4 1 0 0. Now think, suppose like there is bit like this way. Suppose there are bits like this way, 1 1 1. Like suppose you subtract, like these are the bits, every position. Suppose if you subtract 1 from this, 1 from 1 bit, like from first bit you subtracted first bit, then what will be the answer? 1 1 0. This will be the answer. Similarly, if bits are this way and you subtracted from this, like this bit, second bit you subtracted only, then what will be the answer? 0 0 1. Similarly, if you subtract from any bit as same value, like if you take here 1, you can take here 1, you can take here 1, and you subtracted this value from this one, the whole will be 0 1 0 0. So this is the first observation. That if you subtract value from same bit as same bit, like this is up to raised to 4 3, so it is 8 minus 8, it will be that bit will get unset. It will be unset. So now think, suppose any bit is there, and you are there is no any set bit here, and you subtracting a set bit from that number, then what will happen? Now see, when you do this one, then the value from the next element will be shifted to this value, because if you know that 4, if it is 4, if you subtract 1 from here, it will be converted into 3. So 1 0 0 was initially like this way. If you subtract 1 from here, it will be converted into 1 1. So at the end, this bit is getting removed, but the next bits are getting updated. So we need to, from this we will get to know that for understanding whether the set bit of that number is set or not, we should know that whether after performing this operation the values are getting updated or not. If it is getting updated, means that set bit is not there, means like suppose this number is there and you are subtracting this number, and the set bits are not changing. Set bits are not changing means the count, like initially count is 2 and later it is changing to 1, means just only decreasing by 1, means this set is set as usual. But suppose if you take this example and you subtract from 1 this way, it will be turn out to be 1 0 1 1. So initially count will be 2, but now the count is 3, because the one set bit is converted into 2 set bits as per the position of set bit. So at the end we need to check whether this condition is following or not. If it is following, then we will update according to the values. So now I will explain the code. If you are able to find out these two observation, then if you check my code, you will able to understand the answer. So I will go to the code. If you are new to channel, please subscribe to the channel. It gives us motivation to make such a videos. So now I will increase the size so you will able to see. So firstly what I did, I am just taking the input, whatever the initially n is there, and the initial count, set bit count I am taking, initial set bit count, which is the value I am getting. Now what I am doing, I am just taking two inputs, I am storing that last as performing the operation on, like we will n minus x we will do, then we will get to know about how many bits are in n minus x, but we should also know that how many bits are in n. For that reason I am storing that last value into this one, last value in last, and n minus x is current value. So this way I am storing these two variables. Now initially I equals to 0 means from 0th bit I am going to up to 13th bit, 29th bit. So I am from this way to this way we are moving. So for that reason I am just taking 0, and num, I am taking the num as that value which we will be the equals to n at the end. So how it will be, I will explain. So basically what I will do, initially I know how many set bits are there in n. So it will be, suppose it is y. Now what I will do, I will check, and at first bit I will check the first bit. I will just subtract n minus x with 1 only, n minus 1. It will return some bits to me. I will take that value. Now what will happen, I will check whether this value is smaller than y and value equals to y minus 1. If it is there, means the set of this one must already, these are there, but this set is already set in this value. Means like suppose 1 0 1 1 is there, and I am just subtracting 1 from this one. Here 3 set bits are there. After performing the operation, it will be 0 0, so it will be 2. So at the end this value is coming, so answer will be, this will be condition will fulfill. So I will check whether this condition is getting fulfilled. If it is, then what will happen, I will update the num value with this value. I will make OR and I will update the value. Now in some condition what will happen, suppose like this condition is there, this one, here I will be 0. Now this condition is there. Now what I will check, when I subtract this value 1, then what will happen, now here check, here is 2 set bits, like when we subtract 1 from this one, then what will happen, now this set bit will go out, and the other values will get fulfilled like this way. So it will increase by 4. So this count will be 5. So it is not equals to the last value. It will be not equals to 2 minus 1. So what in that condition, what we require, we need to go to the next else loop. In else loop, what I will check, how much increasing number from this one to this one. So it is increasing in 3 number. So from when you subtract this set bit, there is increase of 3 count set bits like these values. So at the end, it means that these set bits are not set in this one values. So at the end, you will know that this increasing plus from I plus this increasing plus 1 set bit is set in this value, and other rest of values are not set bit. So at the end, what we will do, you know that these values are not set bit in this value, but when you subtract this set bit, these values will come include in that number. So to remove that number, I will take all the values from this ones, like I will add this one, and just I will remove from this number these 4 values. So at the end, what will happen, it will give us 1 0 0 0 0 0. So it will give us this value. Now from this one, what you will get to know, that this set bit is only fixed and this one is unset. So we are moving from that value to directly this value. From this value we are going to this set bit only, because we are covering all these values in this calculation only. If you are in doubt, you can just rub in your pen and paper. You will get to know about that, what I am saying, this one. And I will just update this set bit and I will move on. Now I will perform this operation similarly on every set bit. I will check until unless, see now here is 2 set bits. When you remove this one, the value will be this one. So at the end, this value will get down equals to 1. So for that reason, I am just mentioning last equals to minus, whatever the last value was there. Now after performing this one, what will happen? Now I performed on 0 only. Now I will check for every value. When the value becomes 0, the answer will be null. So this was the condition, because we are removing every set bit. So total operations we will require is max 30, because the values are up to 10⁹ only. So this was the answer. I will return that num, and that's it for today. If you have any doubt, you can comment below, and if you want to clear your doubts, you can join us our Telegram group. The link in the description, and Instagram link is also in the description. Please do join us, follow us on the social media platforms also, and thank you.